Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply debit card in Dubai Islamic Bank. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. To apply for the debit card for Dubai Islamic Bank, you will need to create an account in the Dubai Islamic Bank. Then in the 1 week, the card will be issued to you. If you want to create an account in the Dubai Islamic Bank, then you will need to follow some steps. Open your browser and in the search bar type Dubai Islamic Bank and press enter. Go to the official website of Dubai Islamic Bank. When you go to the official website of Dubai Islamic Bank, then you will see this type of interface. Here in the left side, you will see the option of open an account. Click on open an account. When you click on open an account, in the left side, you will see few options. Select the option of savings account. Choose between these. Choose from the wide range of Sharia compliance current and savings account. So, choose as per your needs. Like I choose this. Shatir savings account and click on apply now. When you click on apply now, then you will see this type of interface. Here you will see the personal information option. So fill the first name, last name, company name, valid email address, mobile number, and choose between salaried and self-employed. Fill the date of birth and how much do you earn per month in AED. And in the last, verify you are not a robot. But before click on the submit option, first, you will need to go to the terms and conditions of the application and of the bank. Please read the terms and conditions of the bank and the application very carefully. If you see the terms and conditions of the bank and the application very carefully, then in the last, simply click on submit. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.